Very excited to be making this video today. Right here I have a Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max. This is made by SainSmart. I just got this less than a month ago, and when I first got it I was so eager to use it, but I couldn't figure it out. I mean, I looked up videos and I couldn't find anything that was on my level that made sense to me, just simple how to use it. I want to make this video to show how quick and easy it is to get started, to get your first cut. First, I'm going to show you how I printed something with the offline controller. Take a scrap piece of wood, set it anywhere on the base plate. Once you get your piece of wood clamped down, make sure it's secure, turn your machine on. The offline controller is going to load. You have to set the bit to the bottom corner of your workpiece. Okay, once it loads, you have control and file. Control is how you control the CNC, and file is where all of your designs are stored. So in order to start your first cut, you have to control okay, now the Z. You want to be careful. You don't want to go too far. Now, since I'm getting closer, I want to change the step, which I do that with this button right here. 0.1 is like nothing. I'm going to go to 1. There's a piece of paper method where you can put a piece of paper under there. Honestly, as of right now, I've just been barely touching it. That's what I've been doing. Now that we're set, you hold this exit button, it'll bring you back to the main menu. File, SainSmart. I think that's just like their little logo. Okay, ready to print. Once I hit OK, it's gonna start going. So if there's an emergency, if you don't do something right, be ready to hit that emergency stop button. I've had to do that a couple times. Let's go. For some reason the S didn't come out too good, not sure why. That's it. Next, I want to show you how to print something from Easel. There's many software options out there. This one is free, and they give you the pro version as a free trial for 30 days. Also, if you go to get to this screen, this is the same website, so you're in the right spot. This is Easel by Inventables. I'm gonna get logged in. I'm gonna go to a design that I already have saved and loaded. You set your wood size right there. You set what bit you're using. Okay, I've got my design picked out, got the board clamped down. Next thing to do is plug this USB cable directly into your laptop. Other end plugs into the back of the controller. Now you can actually manually jog the machine. The bit lined up level with the surface of the wood at the bottom left corner. I have my design set up. I have all my dimensions and depths correct. Next thing to do, click on carve. Unlock without homing, that's how I'm doing it. So these are the last steps before we actually carve. I'm gonna click this, it's gonna raise the bit. I'm gonna verify if I have that dust shoe attached or not. I'm gonna turn the spindle on, and I'm gonna verify that the spindle is on, and as soon as I do that, I hit carve, and the machine does the rest of the work. Also using Easel, it shows you an estimate of the time. You can speed up the feed, you can change the speed of the spindle. A couple other things I made with the machine. I made this the first couple days I've learned how to use it. I also made a lot of things for friends as gifts. I also cut these brackets out of 1/4 inch aluminum. This is 6061 T6511. These are brackets for a light bar for my truck. But that is how you do your first cuts. Again, this is a Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max. I'm going to put a link in the description for it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to make some more videos that can help you in the future. Thank you.